Could the future of artificial intelligence, or AI, be more globally demanded than we've ever anticipated? Let's delve into the fascinating journey of OpenAI, a pioneer in the world of AI, and its ambitious plans for expansion. Since its inception, OpenAI has been committed to ensuring artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. This vision has fueled its growth and popularity, attracting interest from a global base of customers. From the bustling tech hubs of Silicon Valley to the innovative landscapes of Asia, OpenAI's demand has soared, and it's responding in kind. OpenAI is setting its sights on Japan and Asia more broadly, a testament to the widespread interest in its corporate version of ChatGPT. It's a move that makes sense, considering the firm's impressive valuation of more than $80 billion earlier this year. But OpenAI is not alone in recognizing Japan's potential. Other tech giants are also investing heavily in the land of the rising sun. Microsoft, one of OpenAI's biggest investors, recently committed nearly $3 billion to equip Japan with the powerful graphics processing units vital for running AI apps. Similarly, Amazon Web Services is investing $14 billion in expanding its cloud infrastructure in Japan. Even Google has launched a regional cybersecurity hub in the country. Why Japan, you ask? Experts point to several reasons, including geopolitical tensions making Japan a more attractive partner than China. Factors such as supportive policies and a highly educated talent pool also come into play. Hideaki Yokota, vice president of the Research Institute, sums it up nicely, saying, "What happens in Tokyo can create a buzz. A base in Tokyo could help OpenAI attract young talent, fueling its growth and expansion even further." So, what does OpenAI's investment mean? It's a clear indication of the firm's commitment to meeting global demand and a testament to its belief in the power of AI to transform our world. This is not just about OpenAI's growth, but also about the future of AI itself. With every investment and expansion, we move closer to a future where AI's potential can be fully realized and its benefits accessible to all. In the grand scheme of things, the story of OpenAI is just beginning. Stay tuned to see how this exciting journey unfolds.